In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot on my Samsung phone. First, open the screen you want to capture. This could be anything from a message you want to save, a photo you admire, or a web page full of useful information. Take a moment to navigate to the exact content you wish to screenshot. It is essential to have everything displayed properly on your screen. This ensures that when you capture the image, it includes all the necessary details you want to keep. Once you have the screen precisely set up, you are ready for the next step. Next, press the side or power button and the volume down button at the same time. This action is crucial as it triggers the screenshot function on your Samsung phone. When you press both buttons simultaneously, the phone recognizes this as a command to capture the current screen. Make sure you are pressing both buttons firmly but not too hard. You want to ensure they register the command without causing any unintentional actions. This step is important because it directly leads to saving your screenshot. Once you've pressed the buttons, release both buttons quickly. This rapid release helps the phone register the command clearly without any confusion. Holding the buttons for too long may lead to other actions, such as turning off the screen or adjusting the volume. By letting go promptly, you ensure that your screenshot is taken without any issues. This is a simple yet effective technique that many Samsung users appreciate, making the process quick and efficient. Now the screenshot is saved in your gallery under the Screenshots folder. To find it, open the Gallery app on your phone. Once inside, navigate to the Albums or Folders section. You should see a folder labeled Screenshots. This is where all your captured images are organized for easy access. This organization is important because it helps you locate your screenshots later without hassle. When you open the Screenshots folder, you will see your recent screenshot displayed there. Take a moment to look at your work. This visual confirmation reassures you that the screenshot was successfully taken. You can view, edit, or share this image directly from the gallery. Remember, if you need to take more screenshots, you can repeat the process at any time. If you want to share it, simply tap on the screenshot and you will see options to share it via various apps or platforms. This allows you to send the screenshot to friends or save it to cloud storage. Sharing your screenshots can be particularly useful for collaboration or keeping others informed. This step adds an extra layer of utility to the simple act of capturing a screen. With these steps complete, you now know how to take a screenshot on your Samsung phone with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use this feature, the more comfortable you will become with it. Taking screenshots can enhance your phone experience and help you keep track of important information. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to check your phone settings or consult the user manual. You have all the tools you need to master this skill. Happy screenshotting!